Just received the backpack today and from what I can tell, it feels secure enough that nothing won't snap. The space in it is what I was expecting. Fit all my college books, notebooks, folders, and laptop with sleeve, 15, 6-inch. I will update this review in a week or so of using it as my daily bag. I am very happy with my backpack. Just like what is described, I have been using it for a week. Everything seems just fine. The book bag was everything I thought it would be. It has a lot of storage pocket and the charging port works great with my charger pack I brought separately. I love the anti-theft pocket in the back behind the black band. I would recommend this to everyone who travels. My mobile office consists of a Dell Inspiration 15-inch laptop, mouse, portable 12-inch monitor, spiral-bound Japanese notepad, brochures with papers, power bank, and cell phone. My stash also includes multiple cables. All of my items the main compartment with additional capacity. The side pouches are lengthy to hold my water coffee thermos and umbrella. The front compartment allows for all my various size cables and adapters. USB port connects to my power bank and smartphone even when in the security back pocket. The flat black matte waterproof material gives an modern and professional look. Love this book bag. I feel it's well padded for my laptop. Use it for work daily and fits all my things. Love the pockets and compartments. It was exactly what I needed. Very roomy and fits my laptop. Will probably order another one for my son. Click link in description for more reviews.